Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today's video, this is our continuation and the second destination, going to Krabecha waterfall here in Bosnia and Herzegovina. Along the road guys, there's a beautiful water and bridges that passing by to our tourist vehicle, and later on I will show you the Krabecha waterfalls here in Bosnia Herzegovina. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel if you like this video. And here we go guys, here is the entrance of the waterfalls. You may come in because one of my tourist guides already bought the ticket for us. So we're having a queue there and going down and walk. I think we're going from this station, we're walking down, going to the waterfalls, maybe around 10 minutes if you are so quick to walk. So I'm so excited to bring you here, and maybe you already here, or maybe you never been here. So this is video is for you guys. So enjoy watching, and thank you for your supporting my channel.
Ito lang ba? Hindi na kita. Ayun.
Guys, you can hear the falls now. It's there.
Kaya nga eh.
So lakad-lakad na naman guys. Ito yung falls na haba pa rin.
Hindi ako nakapag-toilet. Mamaya natatain na ako.
Tawa pala mga pre. Mga pre naka-video. Bakit ko nasabi ko hindi ako nakapag-toilet? Hindi, kukuha ko na lang yun. Kukuha ko na lang yun. I-mute ko. Kaya sa mga followers ko at subscriber, huwag din po pagka nararamdaman. Saan ba yun? Ito pala yun. Hindi ba dito yun? Ah, it's there. Hello guys. Bibisitahin namin ang falls dito. Mababa pa hanggang doon sa green. So, yun ang falls. Pero doon tayo magpapark. Maririnig nyo na. Yun sana. Nasaan ba talaga yung eksakto? Ah, doon. Oh, you're going down in the good. Pabalik na lang. Ito. Ito. Bakit? Ha? Yun to is lahat habalog. We're going there, but we'll just wait.
Tayo magpunta.
12:30 naman.
12:30 ba? Hindi ba 12?
12:30.
Ah, 12. So, meron tayong 30 minutes. 1 hour.
Mag-ina yung magkasamang yun, ano, sa tatlo. Nangisig ako. Ito may nagaan. Hindi natin na... Ano pangalan din ng falls na to, be?
Province.
Ikaw ang maglista, ha? Di ko kabisado eh.
Province waterfalls. Mamaya, picture ko yung harapan mo.
Laki ang falls, no? Ito, guys. Ayan, nagsama-sama na sila. Nasa Tabisi Falls kami ngayon. Kaya lang. Nakikita ko sa inyo. Ayan, yun. Yan. Oh guys, ang ganda. Look at that. So, ito ang falls. Ito ang mini falls. Pero, muna kayo dito. Ito yung maliit. Yan yung guys, look. So, hindi pa yan ang kuwan. Hindi pa yan ang baby bed. Ito. Ang malaki ay dito. Yun ang malaki, guys. Look at that. Dahil picturean mo ako. Sama ko dyan. Look at that, guys. Here we go. And then ang ganda, guys, oh. And guys, oh. Ganda ng falls. Ito na yung pinaka-highlight na falls. Yan. Ay, sa baba. And then, taka sa'yo, guys. Hello! Guys.
sa inyo guys na yes. Guys, tayo gusto sana maligo dito guys, so gusto sana maligo dito kung malamig ang tubig. Tingnan natin kung gaano kalamig ang tubig. Ay, malamig guys. Ang ganda-ganda. O, ayan o. Ano to? Zoom natin. Ito mangyayari guys, senaryo ito. Ganda. Tapos guys, narito pa rin kami sa falls. Ayan, no? Kita ko sa inyo. Ayan. Okay. Sige.
So guys, I hope you enjoy watching and joining with us with the waterfalls. At this time, we're going back now for our tourist vehicle upstairs. We just spent maybe around 30 minutes there in the falls, taking some souvenir pictures and playing and mesmerizing all those beautiful waterfalls here in Bosnia and Herzegovina. So we're going back. This is the way of the pathway going back to the ticketing office.
Guys, pabalik na kami sa taas. Nakita na namin yung falls. Ito sinasabi namin, saan mo gusto, pataas o pababa. Ang hirap ng pataas. Oh guys, So last chance, I will show you this here. Yan. Yan guys, oh. Yan kami galing sa baba. Yan. Yun ang ilog, yung malaking yun. Kaya pala siya ang lakas. Yun siya. Taas na naman tayo.
Thank you so much guys for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and support my channel. And again, maraming salamat po sa pagsama nyo sa amin. Hanggang sa muli, at abangan ninyo ang aming susunod na stop, which is Mostar, Bosnia and Herzegovina. See you there, and alamin natin kung ano ang makikita natin sa Mostar. I heard na mura daw ang mga pagkain doon, and samahan nyo kaming alamin kung totoo nga to.